Welcome to Don Bosco School, blooming up with a motto we strive for the best. Subject English, Standard 1, Poem Rain. So, students, if we are thirsty, what do we drink? Yes, water. As we all know, all these living things, such as plants, animals, and human beings, need water. Without water, we cannot survive. We use water for various purposes, such as for drinking, cooking, washing, cleaning, and watering the plants. Water is also used for farming and industrial purpose. So, water is the most important thing on earth. But do you know where do we get water from? We get water from rain. Let's recite the poem. Rain. Rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ship at sea. Written by poet Robert Stevenson. So, students, Robert Stevenson explains here about rainy season. As we all enjoy this season very much, we like to sail boats, use raincoats, umbrellas, and play in it. We see greenery everywhere. Even plants and animals enjoy it. Farms are filled with water. We get new crops. Hope you understood and liked the poem. Thank you for watching us. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.